Going to continue our unit on managing financial and technological resources. Hopefully, we will get the recording finished before the bell rings. All right, so we're going to start off with section 18.1, and our objectives for information technology are to describe the role of information technology in business and identify ways that technology has changed the workplace. So the role of information technology. People depend on getting information quickly and easily. Information technology, commonly known as IT, uses computing, electronics, and telecommunications to process and distribute information in digital and other forms. Telecommunication is the transmission of information over communication lines. This covers many technologies, including telephones and computer networks. Computers are an important part of information technology. So are telephones, fax machines, personal digital assistants, and other handheld devices. MP3 players digitally store music for listening anywhere. Wireless technology, also known as Wi-Fi, lets people with a wireless-enabled computer or PDA connect to the internet. Buildings wired for Wi-Fi can transfer information from one part of a computer system to another. Computers used to design and make new products have improved the manufacturing process. Millions of employees work from home, and IT makes these innovations possible. So how has technology changed the workplace? Well, new technology makes it possible to do tasks in different ways. When computers were first used in business, they were too big and heavy to take from the office. Today, mobile computers are light enough to take anywhere. Electronic email, which we really just call email, allows workers to communicate with others electronically. Wearable computers, manufacturing technology, and specialized software allow more work flexibility. Wireless phones, broadband access, and voice technology also let the workspace become mobile. For example, Capital One Financial Corporation in the United States replaces traditional offices and cubicles with mobile work areas in a casual environment. At hospitals, nurses can use a wireless computer to enter information about patients from anywhere in the facility. Through Wi-Fi, the information is sent to a database available to the doctors, technicians, and others who need it. Telecommuting is an arrangement that allows employees to work at home while communicating with the workplace by phone, fax, or modem. Telecommuting has its advantages. It decreases traffic in busy areas since workers spend less time traveling. It allows for flexible work hours. Companies also find that the quality of work often improves for telecommuters. Many employees are absent less often than when they worked full-time at the office. But there's also disadvantages. Some employees dislike the lack of contact with other workers. Many miss the social part of the office. Some also find that they get distracted at home and cannot get their work done. For employers, a major problem is supervising an employee at a remote site. Telecommuters must have computers and other equipment to do their work. In many cases, this adds to company expenses. All right, technology and manufacturing. So even more portable computers are being developed by the IT industry. One goal is to make more wearable computers. A wearable computer is a small portable computer designed to be used while it is worn on the body. Some can be worn as a wristband, others worn as headsets or clipped into a belt or backpack. For example, portable music players, like iPods, may be able to understand and record speech by workers who need to take dictation. You can tell this textbook is a little bit dated with some of the technology that it refers to, because now we have smartphones that do so much of this. Computers also have made a big difference in the way products are designed and made. Computer-aided design, or CAD, is software for designing products with a computer. With CAD, engineers can design without paper. They can change designs quickly and easily. By using CAD and computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, programs together, companies can custom design and make products. Most manufacturing plants are partly automated. Robots and computer-controlled machine tools do much of the work. They can do many of the hard or monotonous jobs that were once done by people in the past, freeing workers to direct the robots and machine tools. Workers usually receive technical training to do these jobs. Electronic information transfer allows tasks to be done quicker. For example, many companies electronically transfer paychecks to employees' bank accounts. Today is payday at KIS, and so I'm excited because my funds have been electronically transferred to my bank account. A national sales manager uses electronic mail to transmit sales figures to regional managers. Consumers use electronic information transfer too. They can use an automated teller machine, what we call an ATM, or their own computer to transfer funds from one bank account to another. I can tell you I do that a lot. Virtual training allows people to simulate a real situation using a computer. For instance, a computer-run flight simulator program allows pilots to learn how to fly aircraft. Pilots enter a room equipped with cockpit controls and a video screen and practice flying the aircraft. The screen shows them the results of their actions. The entire room is movable with its motion controlled by a computer. In this case, virtual training offers pilots a safe way to learn to fly. Schools use computer-based science labs. Students try different science experiments using a computer. Menus allow them to choose chemicals to combine and tell them the amounts to use. Experiments done on computers are safe Since we're almost done, I'm going to finish this off, so mind the bell. Menus allow them to choose chemicals to combine and tell them the amounts to use. Experiments done on computers are safe with no danger involved if students make mistakes. Also, no fun involved. It's kind of fun to blow up the chemistry lab once in a while. Virtual reality is also used in training. Virtual reality is an artificial three-dimensional visual world created by a computer. In a virtual world, the computer creates places and actions that seem real. Users wear special goggles and fiber optic gloves called data gloves. They enter and move about and interact with objects as if inside the virtual world. The data gloves are input devices relaying information of the user's hand to the computer. The senses of sight, sound, motion, and touch give the illusion of real objects or places. For example, in medical training, computers allow surgeons to practice procedures without real patients. I kind of like the idea of surgeons not practicing on other people, getting their practice done virtually. All right, this wraps up lesson 18.1.